Hey everyone, we are doing example number 17 from NCRT, finding derivatives from first principle. So this is, we have to find the derivative of tan x using first principle. So this is the formula that we will apply to calculate derivative. So let me write down limit h is tending to 0, f of x plus h will be tan of x plus h minus f of x will be tan of x divided by h. So this will become, okay, how can we solve it? In order to solve it, we are supposed to put h and get the value, sorry, h is equal to 0. So let me put h is equal to 0 and check what we are getting. So we are getting tan x plus 0 minus tan of x by h is 0. So which is tan x minus tan x by 0, which is we are getting 0 by 0. 0 by 0 is never accepted as an answer. It is not defined. So we have to simplify it in order to solve it. Correct? So what we will do here is, let me show you. So can I write limit h is tending to 0, tan will become sine by cos. Okay, so sine x plus h by cos x plus h minus, what will be this tan x? Sin x by cos x by h. Now to simplify, what can we do? Let me take limit h is tending to 0. I can take this LCM, correct? So what will be the LCM of these two in numerator? Cos x plus h into cos x, this into this, and when we subtract this into this and this into this, correct? So this will become sin x plus h into cos x minus sin x into cos x plus h. This is numerator. And what will be denominator is h, which is already there. Now we know sin a cos b cos a sin b. What it looks like? It looks like this formula, sin a cos b into cos a sin b is what? It is nothing but sin a minus b, correct? If I consider that this is a, this angle is a, and if I consider that this angle is b, correct? This is b and this is a. So if I apply the formula, so what it will become? It will become, let me write down, is equal to limit h is tending to 0, and top part it will become sin a minus b, which is x plus h minus x divided by cos x plus h into cos x, and this was already in denominator h. So this x and this x will cancel. So what I am getting here is, let me write it here. I am getting limit h is tending to 0 sin h by this one, only this h is left, cos x plus h into cos x into h. And what is this formula? Sin h by h. We learnt in the last class. Sin h by h is nothing but 1. Correct? By formula. So this will be 1 by, this will be cos x plus h into cos x. This became 1. Now we just need to put h 0. This 0. So let me try 1 by cos of x plus 0 into cos x, which is 1 by cos x into cos x, which is nothing but cos square x. And what is 1 by cos square x? Is nothing but sec square x. Let's see next example. This is example 18. So we have to find derivative of sin square x. So d by dx of sin square x. So we don't know any formula, so can I write sin x into sin x? Yeah? This we don't have to find out using first principle. So we will use product rule. Product rule says the derivative of two functions u and v is u as it is, derivative of second, plus v as it is, derivative of first function. This is the formula. This is for the first, this is called the product rule. When the two functions are multiplied, u into v, then we use this formula. Okay, so this is my u and this is my v, correct? This is u and this is v. So we have to differentiate it. So it will be first as it is, derivative of second, correct? Plus second as it is, so second is this, into d by dx of first one, correct? And from our formula list, we know what is derivative of sin x. Derivative of sin x is cos x plus sin x into derivative of sin x is cos x. So final answer is 2 sin x cos x. To solve it, I have used this formula. Derivative of sin x is cos x. So there is a small list of derivatives which we are supposed to memorize. Please write down that list that we will use. So here is the entire list of formulas that we will be using. Total 12 formula. If there will be more coming formulas, I will let you know. Please pause it and write down the entire list. I hope you are done. Now I will do. So using those formulas, I will do exercise 13.2. So this is the first question. Fx is this. So you have to differentiate it at x is equal to 10. So first let's differentiate it. X square minus 2. That's how we differentiate it. So it is derivative will be x square minus d by dx of 2. Remember guys that here we are not using first principle. Here we are using the formulas. So for this derivative of x square, I will use this formula. Derivative of n x raised to power n, derivative of x raised to power n is n x raised to power n minus 1. So here n is 2, correct? So I will use this 2 into x raised to power 2 minus 1, and derivative of constant is always 0, always. So this will be 2 x raised to power 1. This is my answer because 0 I can leave. Question number 2 देखिए. They are saying find the derivative y is given 99x. So what will be derivative of 99x? So see here, dy by dx will be d by dx of 99x. Okay, so whenever there is a constant, we take it outside and then differentiate it, d by dx of x. So 99, and derivative of x is always 1. Always remember, d by dx of power 1 is always 1. Next question we will see, third question. They are saying find the derivative of x. So d by dx at x is what? So it will be d by dx of x raised to power 1. So if I use this formula, it should be n x raised to power n minus 1. And what is n here? N is 1. So 1 x raised to power 1 minus 1, which is 1 x raised to power 0. Anything power 0 is always 1. Anything power 0. So this is my answer. Then they are saying at x is equal to 1. So there is no need to put x is equal to 1 because the answer itself is 1. There is no variable. Next question. Here is the fourth question. Part A, we have to find out derivative of x cube minus 27 using first principle. Okay. So by first principle, d by dx of any function is what? Limit h is tending to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x by h. This is the first principle. So to solve it, I will do limit h is tending to 0 f of x plus h, right? The function at x plus h. So it will be x plus h cube minus 27 minus f of x is x cube minus 27 by h. Correct? What can we do now? See here carefully. Can I open this minus? If I open this minus, watch it carefully. So what will happen? This minus will become plus. Correct? So we have removed brackets. Okay? So because of this minus sign, this became plus. Now what? I think this and this is cancelling. So what I am getting is limit h is tending to 0 x plus h cube minus x cube by h. Okay? So we know one formula. Write down a cube minus b cube is a minus b a square plus b square plus ab. So remember, if here is minus, only here is minus. Other two are plus. Remember that. So I'm planning to use it here. Okay. So let me write down limit h is tending to 0 a cube minus b cube. What I will get? X plus h minus x, correct? A minus b into a square, which is x plus h square, plus b square, plus a into b. What is a into b? X plus h into x by h. Correct? Now, what do you feel? Anything is cancelling? Anything is cancelling. Yes, this x and this minus x. So these two are cancelling. So here I am getting is h. Correct? These two are cancelling. Only thing here I am getting is h. Okay? So let me write down simplified version of it. Limit h is tending to 0 h. And here if I open it, it is x square h square plus 2xh plus x square plus multiply this inside x square plus xh by h. This h and this h will cancel. Fine. Now whatever we got in that, let me put h is equal to 0 and see. So h is equal to 0 wherever I am getting h is here, h is here and h is here. So these three terms will go to 0. Correct? Because h is 0, this is 0 and this is 0. Other terms, what is left over? Let me write x square plus x square plus x square. So this is 3x square. This is my answer. See, h and h, this is cancelled. And whatever is left over, in that I am putting h is equal to 0. Okay? So whatever I got is my acceptable answer. Next part of it. In next part they are saying find derivative of this using first principle. So let me first simplify it. So what is this actually? X into x minus 2 minus 1 into x minus 2. So if you simplify, you will get x square minus 3x plus 2. Try to simplify it. Okay guys? So this is what I am getting. So to differentiate dy by dx from first principle, what I am supposed to do is f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. Okay. So I will keep that value here. Okay. So fx plus h. First let me write down limit h is tending to 0 x plus h square. I am putting x plus h here minus 3 into x plus h plus 2. So this part is done. Minus of fx minus f of x. So what I will get f of x, it will be x square minus 3x plus 2 divided by h. Now in order to solve it, I am supposed to open these two brackets. Okay. So if I open this bracket, what will happen? Because of this minus, these sign will changes. This minus will become plus and this plus will become minus. Okay, this minus plus and this is minus. and I will open this as well, the first one, correct? And here there no sign change because there is no minus in front. So this is what I am getting. So I think this 2 and this 2 is cancelling. Okay, let's try to simplify it further. Limit h is tending to 0. What will be this? X plus h will be x plus h square plus 2xh minus 3x minus 3h, correct? Minus x square minus 3x divided by h. Now anything is cancelling. I'm sorry, this is plus 3x, this one. Okay, so I think x square is cancelling, and this 3x and 3x are cancelling. So now what is left over? Let me write down. Limit h is tending to 0, h square plus 2xh minus 3h by h. Here I think I can take h common, to h plus 2x minus 3 by h, correct? Anything is cancelling here. Anything is cancelling. So here this h and this h are cancelling. Now I am ready to put value h is equal to 0 here. So this will go to 0. So what is left over is 2x minus 3. This is my answer. Part C says y is equal to 1 by x cube. So we are supposed to find the derivative with first principle. So let me write down dy by dx is limit h is tending to 0 f of x plus h. So x plus h cube minus f of x, which is x cube, by h. This is by basic principle formula, correct? So this is what we did. Now let's try to simplify it. So what can we do? Limit h tending to 0. We can take LCM of these two, correct? So LCM of these two will be x plus h cube, x cube, this into this and this into this, which is x cube minus x plus h cube. Okay, and this h is already there in denominator. Okay, so if you remember, we know the formula of a cube minus b cube. What is a cube minus b cube formula? Is a minus b, a square, b square plus ab. So I am going to use this formula here. Okay, so this will be limit h is tending to 0 because we have to somehow simplify it. Okay, so a minus b, so it will be x minus of bracket में x plus h into a square plus b square plus ab. So a square is x square minus of x plus h square, I'm sorry, plus of, and plus of a into b, so x into x plus h divided by h, correct? Now anything will cancel. Let's see it slowly. I think if I open this tiny bracket here, so it will become minus x and minus h, correct? Minus x minus h. Okay, so this x and this x will cancel, and this h and this h in numerator and denominator will cancel. So what I am getting now is minus of, see this minus sign is still there, only h is cancelled, x square plus here x plus h square plus this is multiplied x square plus xh bracket 1 and niche is just 1, correct? Now let me put h and check the answer. H is 0, correct? So let me put h 0. This h will become 0 and this h will become 0. So what is rest of it? Minus of x square plus this is x plus 0 square. इधर देखिए x plus 0 square is x square plus this one x square. So what I am getting here is when I was writing it, the denominator, this part is also there. So let me write down this part is also there into x cube, and I am supposed to put here also plus x cube into x cube. So when I am putting h is equal to 0, so that will go, the denominator will also become 0, this will also become 0, correct? So numerator में I am getting minus of this, this and this divided by this cube, okay, this cube into this cube, x cube. This is what we are getting. So let me simplify it. Minus of this is x square plus x square plus x square. Let me just erase it. So I am getting this plus this will be 3x square, right? Divided by x cube into x cube is x raised to power 6. So what we will get is minus 3. This is we can take it above, correct? X raised to power above. So what it will become? X raised to power 2 minus 6, which is minus 3 x raised to power 4. This is my answer by first principle. So this is the question D part, x plus 1 by x minus 1. So using first principle method, we have to find dy by dx. So let me write down limit. It has to be f of x plus h minus of fx by h. So what we will get, limit h is tending to 0, f of x plus h. So what it will become, x plus h plus 1, x plus h minus 1 minus f of x. So f of x will be x plus 1, x minus 1 divided by h, correct? Now we are ready to simplify it. Okay, just patiently we have to simplify it. Limit h tending to 0. What is the LCM of these two? So LCM will be, let me write down, x plus h minus 1, x minus 1, and this h is already in denominator. So something in denominator goes in denominator, correct? Okay. So now this into this and this into this. So this will be x plus h plus 1 into x minus 1 minus x plus 1 into x plus h minus 1, correct? There is no other way but we have to simplify it somehow. So limit h is tending to 0. So how to simplify it? This x is multiplied with both, then h is multiplied with both, with 1. 1 is multiplied by both, like that, right? So let me do it one by one. So x plus h plus 1 multiplied with x minus of x plus h plus 1 is multiplied with 1. Okay? Minus, now x with everything, x plus h minus 1 minus, this plus is becoming minus, you see, because this minus is there. Minus of 1 into x plus h minus 1 divided by x plus h minus 1, x minus 1 into h. Okay, it is clear so far? Now what we can do is limit h is tending to 0. Let's open it. X into x is x square plus hx plus x minus, just simply open it, minus minus 1 minus, now x is multiplied everywhere, minus x square minus x plus x, right? This minus will become plus. Now multiply here, minus x minus h plus 1 divided by whatever it is, minus 1 x minus 1 h. Anything is cancelling, let me see. I think this will cancel, this x square will cancel, correct? This 1 will cancel, then this x will cancel, then correct, x minus x is cancelling, and here x minus x is cancelling. Okay? Now what is left over? Let me write down hx. I think this is also cancelling, plus hx and minus hx, this is also cancelling. The only thing which is left over is minus h and minus h. Correct? So let me write down. The only thing which is left over is this minus h and this minus h. Together it will become minus 2h by x plus h minus 1, x minus 1h. Okay, so this h and this h are cancelling. So I am getting limit h is tending to 0 minus 2 by x plus h minus 1, x minus 1. In this I can put h is equal to 0. Correct? This h I can put here. This is 0. So answer is minus 2 by x into this is, I am sorry, x minus 1 into, see here what I got is 0. So it is x minus 1 into x minus 1. This is my answer. This is the question number 5. Let's solve it. This is given a big polynomial and we have to prove that f dash 1 is equal to f dash of this. We have to prove f dash of 1 is 100 times f dash of 0. तो f dash का क्या मतलब है? f dash का मतलब ये है कि जो भी फंक्शन दिया है you need derivative of that. ठीक है? तो derivative of this we will not use first principle anymore. We will use formulas. So what is the formula of d by dx of x raised to power n? N x raised to power n minus 1. Correct? So here 1 by 100 as it is when we differentiate each term separately. This separate and so on. So what will be the derivative of this first term? D by dx of x raised to power 100 plus 1 by 99 out. D by dx of x 99 so on. Then d by dx of x square by 2. Then d by dx of x and then d by dx of 1 and so on. So what can we do is 1 by 100 into इसका डेरिवेटिव क्या होगा? 100 into x raised to power 99. Correct? Because n is 100 here. So by formula n x raised to power 100 minus 1. Okay, correct. 1 by 99 into 99 x raised to power 98 by formula and so on. 1 by 2 into x square का क्या होगा? 2 into x raised to power 1 plus derivative of x we already know is 1 plus derivative of 1. It's a constant. So derivative of 1 is always 0. So I hope you know this. Now let's simplify it. 100 cancel, x raised to power 99. This cancel, x raised to power 98. And this is x plus 1. So this is my derivative. I got f dash x. Okay. But what do they want? Do they want f dash x? No. They want f dash 1 and f dash 0 ka relation of these two. F dash 1 means what is if x is 1 and f dash 0 what if x is 0. Let me tell you. इसका मतलब है x is 1, x is 1 and meaning of this x is 0. Correct? So let me write it here. F dash of 1 will be what? 1 raised to power 99, 1 raised to power 98. ऐसे करते करते 1 plus 1. So how much will you get? Total how many terms are there? 1 plus 1 plus 1 till 99. Total 100 terms are there. Correct? So 1 plus 1 will be 1 plus 1 plus 1. 100 times will be 100. Now what is f dash 0? So you have to put just in this term you have to put x is equal to 0. So 0 plus 0 plus 0 करते करते only this term is left over. Correct? So 0 plus 0 plus 0 करते करते only this is left over. So this is 1. So if you look at this carefully, so f dash 1 is nothing but 100. Can I write it 100 into 1? 100 into, and what is 1? 1 is nothing but f dash 0. Correct? 1 is nothing. So hence proved. Yes or no? Correct. Next question. So this is question number 6. So this is the polynomial which is given and we are supposed to find derivative of this term, right? So derivative is written like this: dy by dx will be d by dx of x raised to power, this is given n, to d by dx of x raised to power n plus a times d by dx of x raised to power n minus 1 plus, see a is a constant, a, b, c, these are usually reserved for constants. So whenever we do derivative of any term, so constants come in front. So a square will come in front, d by dx of x minus 2 here and so on. Here what will come? In this question, this is here it will come a raised to power n minus 1 d by dx of x, this term, for this term x, and d by dx of a raised to power n. Now if I differentiate each term, what will happen? इसका formula directly n into x raised to power n minus 1 plus a into what will be the formula for this term? n minus 1 into x raised to power n minus 2, one power less लेना है, we take the just one power less, plus a square n minus 2 x raised to power, see the power will come in front and one power will decrease, n minus 2 will become n minus 3, one power decreases, right? Plus here a raised to power n minus 1, and what is derivative of x is just 1, plus only a constant term, a raised to power n is just a constant term, so derivative of constant will be 0. So this is my answer. Example 7 देखिए. So this is example question number 7. We have to differentiate these three parts. So let me write y is equal to x minus a, x minus b. To solve it, we can pretty much use u into v formula. U into v formula. So what was it? dy by dx was u as it is, dv by dx plus v as it is, this is v, du by dx. Correct? We can do this. So it will be u. This is u and this is v. X minus a d by dx of x minus b plus x minus b into d by dx of x minus a. Correct? So now what can we do is x minus a as it is, derivative of x minus b. So derivative of x is 1 and derivative of b will be 0. Always remember in maths ABC is treated as a constant and x, y and z is treated as variables. So these are reserved in maths. So wherever you see ABC, we will treat it as a constant. So b is a constant. So derivative is 0 plus x minus b. So x minus b as it is. Derivative of x will be 1 minus derivative of a will be 0. Let's just simplify it a little bit. Okay. So it will be x minus a into 1, correct, plus x minus b into 1. So it will become x minus a, x minus b, which is 2x minus a minus b. This is my answer. Let's do second part. The second part says y is equal to ax square plus b whole square. Okay, so can I write ax square plus b into ax square plus b into करके we can convert it into two parts, u into v method. So what will be dy by dx will be ax square plus b as it is, u as it is, d by dx of ax square plus b plus, correct? That's how we can do, plus second as it is ax square plus b d by dx of v, d by dx of u. That's how we do when we have product of two functions. First as it is, second ka derivative, then second as it is and first ka derivative. That's how we do with plus sign in the middle. So let's differentiate it. So it will be ax square plus b into, what will be derivative of ax square? So a as it is, correct? What is the derivative of x square? 2x. Always, see, remember d by dx is always 1 and d by dx of x square is 2x. This will be very handy. So it's better to memorize derivative of x square is 2x. So I am using it. And what is derivative of b? It is 0 plus ax square plus b as it is. Derivative of a as it is, because it is a constant. When constant is with some variable, then we just copy it. Okay? Then derivative of x square is 2x plus derivative of b is 0. What I am getting is ax square plus b 2ax plus this 0 I am leaving, correct? Ax square plus b into 2ax. If we want, we can take ax square plus b common. So what I am getting is 2ax plus 2ax. Okay, we can further simplify it. You can write ax square plus b into 2ax plus 2ax is 4ax. This is your answer. This is part C. We have to find derivative of this. So what formula we will use? If you have y is equal to u by v, so what is the formula? Dy by dx is v as it is. Start with denominator, v as it is, du by dx minus u as it is, correct? U as it is, dv by dx by square of v, correct? So let me write down here. This is my u and this is my v. So x minus b as it is, d by dx of x minus a minus x minus a as it is, d by dx of x minus b by square of denominator. Now x minus b as it is. What is derivative of x minus a? Derivative of x will be 1 and a will be 0 because it's a constant. X minus a, derivative of x is 1 and derivative of b is 0 divided by x minus b square. So what will you get is x minus b into 1 is this minus x minus a divided by x minus b square. So what we will get here is x minus b minus x plus a by x minus b square. So anything is cancelling, x and x cancel, so I will get minus b plus a by x minus b square. This is my answer. See you in next video, guys. So please try to solve it first on your own and see you next video. Bye everyone.